All right, day 2, and we've already hit the road. Actually, it's 1:20 in the afternoon, Pacific time. You guys figured out where I was. I'm impressed. I mean, I'm sort of impressed because yesterday when I landed and I said a little bit of this in the video. I'm recording this video about the time the Sunday video is going live, so I'm gonna watch it here in a minute when it premieres. But I got a lot of messages. I got people replying to my email saying, "You're in Portland, you're in Portland." 2 people sent me an APRS message. Mike KMRD was not one of them. So, yeah, look at this scenery out here. Look at that. That is beautiful. We are headed basically east, and we're gonna drive for 5 or 6 hours today, something like that, and cross into another state. And APRS is beaconing right now, so follow along. APRS.fi. A lot of people replied to the email or made a comment on one of the videos and said, well, I'm not sure how to look for APRS. Well, just pull up the website, APRS.fi. It's .fi because of the guy who wrote the websites in Finland. But APRS.fi, and then search for KC5HWV-5. And assuming there are digipeaters and iGates along this route, you will see me. Very fun trip through the mountains. We're still eastbound. So what happened was, I'm seeing y'all's messages, and I got a couple messages from people that showed up somewhere in Hillsboro, Oregon. Sorry about the sun, it's over there. So I got some people that showed up there, and we were there until about noon, and then we hit the road, and for some reason APRS didn't pick us up. No iGates or digipeaters picked us up until like 2.5, 3 hours later, something like that. Since then, this thing's kind of been going nuts with messages, and I appreciate everybody who's messaging me. I want to, KM4ACK sent me a message. He's like, where are you off to now? I got a message from Golf Zero Mike Echo Juliet from the UK, from England. He's like, hey, love your videos, man. He sent me 2 or 3 messages, so thank you for watching from England. KB2NOM sent me a message. Victor Golf Zulu sent me a message. KC0JC sent me a message. So thanks, guys. Appreciate y'all watching along there. Finally, it did update on the website, and you can see us eastbound. I think it's actually kind of southbound now, but we're on Interstate 84, headed towards Boise. So we're going to cross over the Oregon-Idaho border here in a minute. You guys should see that on APRS. I wasn't going to say anything until we were there, but y'all know where I am now. So we're headed east. We're going to stay there tonight. Now, you won't be watching this video until Monday, but we're staying there Sunday night, and I'll be beaconing when I'm there Sunday night, although my battery's getting kind of low again, so when we get destinated for the evening, I will plug this in to make sure it has battery power to keep beaconing. Surely there are some iGates and digipeaters in Boise because it's a major area, so we're going to see what happens with that and go from there. So good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching and continue following along. End of the night, we're at Yard House. There is not a lot open on Sunday night as far as craft beer breweries go, and that upsets Chris. I don't blame him. So we're beaconing in Meridian, Idaho right now, and the battery's almost dead on the HT, but it has picked up a few stations. By the time you watch this, we'll be gone. Follow along, and good luck to everybody. 73.